wabarakatuh. Hello everyone. First of all, I would like to say thank you for coming to this presentation. We from Group 5 are gonna present our presentation about types of plant pathogens and disease symptoms. Before we start our presentation, I'll introduce our member. Okay, first is Fandika Ersa Yulianti, next Petrina Ayu Syakirah, then Deandra Callista Widjaja, and Hufi Ilham Julio. Okay, let's move to the next section, which is our main presentation.
Okay, pathogens are living organisms that are mostly micro and capable of causing disease in plants or plants. These microorganisms include fungi, bacteria, viruses, mycoplasma, nematodes, spiroplasmas, and Rickettsia. Plants are said to be healthy or normal if they can carry out their psychological function according to their best genetic potential. Plants become sick when attacked by pathogens or affected by abiotic agents. Plant disease will appear when there is contact and interaction between two components, plants and pathogens. To support the development of the disease, there must be an interaction of three components, namely virulent pathogens, susceptible plants, and supportive environment.
Types of plant pathogens. Number 1, pathogen fungi. Fungi are the most common plant disease causing pathogen compared to other pathogens. Fungi reduce by from spores, both sexual spores and asexual spores. Fungi pathogen often use direct penetration of plant surface to enter the host. Fungi can also penetrate of stomata without the formation and any special structure. Symptoms apprehended by plants has a draw of lack of nutrients such wilting, yellowing, stunting, and plant death. For example, the fungi Aspergillus niger cause crown rot, pot rot, and seed rot in peanuts and black fungi in onions. Number 2, pathogen bacteria. Pathogen bacteria and nematodes even enter through the stomata pores when there is a moist film on the leaf surface. Bacteria, microplasvirus, and nematodes infect new tissues in the plant body by introducing offspring pathogen individual in infected tissues. How to reproduce? Bacteria reproduce by dividing fission cells. Bacteria in doing its part of course activity. Sometimes caused by bacteria or virus include yellowing the leaves, wilting of the leaves, abnormal growth that grow, disease fruit quality, and root level elevation. Plant disease caused by bacteria, namely putus or boils on soybean, cause the bacterium Xanthomonas asphodis genus.
Pathogen virus. Viruses are agents that are very small and can only be seen through an electron microscope. Viruses have the potential to spread disease in plants so that they can cause a decrease in production in quality and quantity. Examples of symptoms of disease in plants that are attacked by virus, namely discoloration on leaves, flowers, roots, and fruit. Next, growing stunt, become wrinkle or curly. Virus cannot enter the host plants by themselves. Virus can enter host tissues through wounds or through the help of other organisms that get the virus from an infected plant and carry it and transmit it to healthy plants. The virus can also be transmitted through works hands and seeds and pollen. The next is type of disease symptom. Necrosis or necrosis is damage or death of plant cells, tissues, or organs. Symptoms include the first is blight, rapid death that occurs in all parts of the plants or on a large part of the leaf, including the leaf bone, due to activity of pathogens. The next is leaf spot. Leaf spot is the result of local infection where fungal growth is blocked by separator tissue. For example, in cotton leaf that are attacked by Xanthomonas campestris PV. The next is scorch or burn on the leaves, indicating rapid death and covering broad and irregular areas. The next is dry rot or bark rot, found in bark and caused by fungi. Cancer can form when soft tissues form at the edges of the infected area. The next is wet rot, represent with slimy necrosis, and the spots do not have a special shape or form in this symptom. Symptoms are caused by fungi, nematodes, and virus. Next is chlorosis, the destruction of chloroplastids, which cause the normally green part of the plant to turn yellow. Next is droop, leaf fall followed by stems and shoots that dry out due to disruption of the transport beam or damage of the roots so that the evaporation process is not balanced with the water transport process. The next is exudation. The exudation is discharge in plants caused by disease. The next is dieback. Dieback is branch that experience death starting from the tip to extend to the base. For example, in coffee plants that are attacked by the fungus Rhizoctonia sp.
Hypoplastic or hypoplasia is a regressive growth with the size of the cell or the size of the plant can reach normal size or dwarf. Symptoms include, first is dwarfing, is a symptom caused by growth inhibition so that the plant size is smaller than the normal size. The example is rice plants that are attacked by virus. Second is chlorosis. Chlorosis is a symptom of plant failure from a green color, so it only produces a yellow color. The example is citrus leaves that are attacked by Xylella fastidiosa subpauca. Third is mosaic. It's a symptom where the leaves have green and yellow patterns. The example is tobacco leaves are infected by tobacco mosaic virus or TMV. Fourth is rosette. So it's a symptom where the plant has inhibition of the growth of the segment on the stem, but the leaves can still grow normally. Next is etiolation. It's a symptom caused by plants not getting enough sunlight so that the plants become pale in color, grow elongated, and have narrow leaves. Six is change in symmetry, are symptoms in the form of growth inhibition in certain parts, resulting in shape deviation. The example is sugarcane stall attacked by Fusarium manifoldii. Next is hyperplastic or hyperplasia. It's an extraordinary growth caused by the elongation and enlargement of cell. Symptoms include, first is curl. Curl is a symptom that arises because of the unbalanced growth of the leaves. The example is cracker virus on tobacco leaves. Second is cap. So it's a symptom in form of patches that appear upward with a rough texture caused by the extraordinary growth that occurs in the epidermal cell and underlying tissue. The example is potato tubers are attacked by bacterium Spermatomyces capias. Next is erionase, so is symptom of the formation of many trichomes. The example is Crotalia leaves are attacked by mites. Next is fasciase, is a symptom of changing shape from cylindrical or straight to flat and white. The example is on young rubber stem. This is intumescence. It's a symptom of nutritional deficiency caused by epidermal cell. The example is on Cassia tomentosa leaf. Next is broom. Broom is a symptom of the development of axillary buds that usually slip into a tight bundle of twigs. The example is peanut plants are attacked by mycoplasma. Seventh, sesidium is a symptom of local swelling in plant tissue so that nodules will appear. The example is damar leaf attacked by Isidium sp. Eighth, proliferation is a symptom where plants have growth that exceeds their normal size. Ninth, tumefaction is a symptom caused by the accumulation of excessive food material on the top of the stem of a root so that it will cause swelling. And the last is hyperchronic, is a symptom where plants experience excessive color development. The example is soybean seeds attacked by fungus Cerospora sp. Okay, that was all for our presentation. If you have any question, you can ask at the discussion forum at Spada. Lastly, thank you for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.